skibbity whiz. Broski just evaporated from the floor. Broski just summoned from the floor.
Find the floor.
I'm not back from the dead. Bro's like, I'm not back from the dead. Ain't no way I'm dying. Do a hokey pokey and turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
I don't know which way you went.
Bro, just stay up on the wall. Just wall, but jump. Like you're in an obstacle course.
Hey, I'm not going first. Oh shit. Oh yeah. We're fine. Oh shit, yeah.
I'm faster on the wall.
Right, now I'm stuck in here. My
The
favorite.
skibbity of higher sigma rays. Slushy, like I said, is our higher sigma skibbity rays. Bro could raise up the entire kindergarten. Sigma.
Bro still died. Even though the monster was on me. That's a skill issue. I am Noah. I am him. Is that supposed to start moving with Cook? It might be Cook. Unless we're fine. Once we do the room, we're able to run fast. He's running after us. He's too busy. That's where Bro, all the kids are running right now.
Oh, the skibbity of higher sigma kindergarten is running.
Monster, you can leave. Now what is bro? Hey, that was a good wall climb, wasn't it? Let's see if I can get a real nothing there. Oh wait, it was the best, dude.
Let me try.
What's your oh, he's gone. We're good. I went to the very top. Let's see if I can do it again. That walk. Yeah, ready? There you go. There you go. Peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly top.
Peanut butter jelly top. Who?
Have you run? That's him. Yeah.
Something is right behind me. I'm not scared. Never mind. Scrawny hell I am. But Broski I can do. Oh Lord.
3%.
Where is Queso? Like for real, I paid to see Queso on a 15-minute basis. Scrawny. No way, Broski just ran past us.
Somebody. Oh yeah, because you're up. So you can't detect us when we're up. Orange, come here. I want to show you. Just come here. It's scary.
Okay, show us, Steph. It's that bloody scary.
What?
We're coming here.
There's noise. Come here. I know about that room already.
That's just my homie sleeping. You just gotta sneak back in.
What is it?
It's my homie sleeping.
Oh, okay. I was just wondering.
Nah, it's just my homie sleeping. Probably big boy.
Of course it's so cool.
Coming soon.
Okay, but it's kind of scary and I want to get out.
Bet, let's run.
I wonder what that room is going to be. I wonder what that room is going to be.
They're coming soon?
Yeah.
I feel like it's fully built, but bro is just waiting to drop the biggest thing ever. How do I this?
Good method. Hey!
Who can help me find mine? Who can help me find the one and only mine? The one and only mine.
Actually, I might know where it is.
Wait, who knows where it is? Raise your hand if you know where it is. Okay, I'll follow you.
down here.
But
If there is monsters, just jump on the wall and just try to juke them.
okay, but yeah, because I've been like.
Yep.
Bloody hell! I'm not good at joking.
Just stay on the wall.
I'm trying. My tongue is flipping. Help, brother!
Oh no. Oh no. Run. Purple?
I'm kind of probably gonna die soon.
No, come on. Not that far. Come on. Okay. Oh.
No!
Every blue
I just got murdered!
Every blue
I just got murdered!
Follow me, okay? Follow me. We're gonna look for all the rest of the blues.
What is the private lobby?
Honestly, just randomly joined it all.
Where did...
Oh, hey. My blues! Run! Shoot! Silent. Where did my blues go?
Are you guys like Team Blue or something?
Yes, we're Team Blue. Do you want to go out?
Yeah, I'm not going out. I'm going. Let me just change my color.
Team Blue, go to safe zone. Team Blue, go to safe zone. We added the new member. Team Blue, go to safe zone. Where are we going? Where do we go? Way slower. Wait. Everybody in Team Blue.
What is it called?
Everybody in Team Blue. Join code MikeVR. What's the code? MikeVR.
Is it just MIKEVR?
Yeah, VR. Not VR, VR.
I said VR. Bloody hell, is anyone here? Master client, let's go.
Wait, Mike VR? Mike VR? Hello? Oh, yeah, I'm here. I always share people I still are joining our server. Alright, ready? The monsters. Not yet. Someone has to die. I'm gonna take the fall for it. It's fine. Wait, we
No, more people need to join. We should be good. We should be good.
Right.
As long as they don't start like randomly coming. Oh, do any of you know where our mines is? I want mines. Where is the other guy?
We're blocked off.
Why?
We can't get in.
Why?
That's why.
I don't see a monster. All the monsters are. All the monsters are.
Say, buddy. Well,
All the monsters are spawned for me. Oh no, some are in the pool.
oh my god, I'm in the pool.
Black and that meat man is in pool. Whatever his name is.
The water feels weird.
Wait, you can feel the water? I don't feel nothing.
We want. Oh wait, I have one thing to say.
What?
What's up? You know, you might be wondering why the water's so warm and why it's yellow.
This water actually tastes really nice. What's in it?
Yeah, you might be wondering why it's so warm and why it's yellow.
Yum. It's so yummy. What's in it?
Homemade lemonade.
Really? Well, you may be wondering why this pool is so warm and weird feeling and brown. It's homemade brownies, by the way.
Tastes like chocolate.
Yeah.
But seriously, do you not see those monsters?
What monsters?
You just walked through the monsters.
Which
Here,
monsters?
also you want monsters. I'm sacrificing myself to prove a point. Watch.
Broski, no! I must save Broski. Whatever it takes. Must sacrifice for Broski. Must sacrifice for Broski. Must sacrifice for Broski. Must
You're not
sacrifice.
gonna see me die.
Must sacrifice for Broski. 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 What?
Wait, are we able to make? Wait, can we make a private code in Mines?
I don't know. Do you know where mine even is?
You haven't unlocked it yet?
No. I joined this like a couple weeks ago, so I was here like after they removed.
Follow me.
Oh, the Lord Yellow is right there. No, not moving. We go up here, right? Like all the way to the top.
Yes.
Okay. Just making sure because some guy was trying to show me, but then we both died, and then I joined you.
All right, just follow me.
I'm trying. Bro, I'm getting closer and closer to the edge of my thing.
Not much farther now.
Okay. What is all this black stuff on the floor?
IDK.
No way you
The
just
right hand.
No way you
And then there should be a button hidden in here. You see a button?
Yes, I got it.
All right. Now let's go back down. Oh no, wait. Let's run to yellow. Let's run into yellow to teleport. Okay?
Okay. You saw yellow too? You saw yellow
Get there
too?
faster.
Let's go
This
see.
is only one yellow. Oh wait. Wait, this is gonna be 1 second.
Did it. No, I can't be showing this on YouTube. I can't be showing this on YouTube. I'm PG. I'm PG. I'm PG. I swear. I swear. I'm PG. I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear. I swear. I actually swear I'm PG. I'm PG. Ain't no way this scary as hell. Snowy BF? What?
Go, run, 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 run,